to all of you. Class 6. In the previous class we were doing about phrases and kinds of phrases. Is it not? You have already learned what is a phrase. Can you not say what is the definition for a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that does not contain a subject and a verb. It does not express a complete thought therefore. So, phrase is a group of words which convey an idea but do not make a complete sense, because a phrase does not contain a subject and a verb. So you have learned a certain exercise also in relation with the phrases, is it not? So then what is adjective phrase? In order to know about adjective phrase, you should know first what is a adjective. That we have already learned in parts of speech, is it not? An adjective is a word which describes the noun in a sentence. So adjective is a describing word to describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay? So adjective is a word which describes a noun. So an adjective phrase is a phrase which does the work of an adjective in a sentence. Okay. How do you identify an adjective phrase? When a phrase describes the noun in the sentence, it is called an adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a phrase which does the work of an adjective in a sentence. So, you have seen this exercise also. You got some exercise from adjective phrases, is it not? In order to find out the adjective phrase from the sentence. Here you read some adjectives can be expanded into adjective phrases. See the examples in the table below. Certain adjectives and its adjective phrases are there in this table. First one is happy. The adjective phrase of happy is full of happiness. Second, wooden. Adjective phrase is made of wood. Then talented. Talent, the word meaning is skillful. Talented, its adjective phrase is of great talent. Of great talent. Then isolated, its adjective phrase is away from other people or things. Okay, many other people are in an isolation camp as the result of COVID-19. Is it not? So these are certain examples of adjective phrases from the word adjective. Okay, you got this exercise as your homework in the last class. Could you identify the adjective phrases in these sentences? First one is she bought a car that was red in color. Which is the adjective phrase of this sentence? That was red in color. Why? Because these group of words explain or describe the verb car in this sentence. So, these group of words stand as adjective phrase in this sentence. Therefore, you have to mark here that was red in color. Which was the color of the car which she brought? It was red in color. Okay. Second sentence. Melaine has a doll made of wood. The doll which Melaine had was made of wood. Here, the group of words made of wood describe the verb doll in the sentence. So, made of wood is the adjective phrase of this sentence. Okay. Third one. He gave me a pen with my name inscribed on it. Okay. The pen which he gave me was with my name inscribed on it. So, with my name inscribed on it, these group of words describe the pen. Therefore, these group of words stand as adjective phrase in the sentence. So, underline that one. With my name inscribed on it is the adjective phrase of this sentence. Next, fourth one. They grow up in a city with a nice climate. See, with a nice climate, these group of words describe the city where they grow up. So, these group of words stand as adjective phrase in the sentence. So, underline these group of words. With a nice climate. How is the climate today in your area? Fifth one. He looked at the sky with eyes full of sadness. See, the noun looked is explained here with eyes full of sadness. So, it is the adjective phrase of the sentence. With eyes full of sadness. Such a way you have to identify or find out adjective phrases from the sentences. Here you have another example for adjective and adjective phrase. See, first one. Ram is reading an animal book. Which book Ram is reading? An animal book. What Ram is reading? Ram is reading an animal book. So, book is the noun in this sentence. Okay. Animal is an adjective here, because which type of book Ram is reading? He is reading an animal book. So, animal is the adjective and book is the noun of the sentence. Because in a sentence, what does adjective do? Adjective modify the noun in the sentence. Second sentence, see, Ram is reading a book on animals. Okay, here on animal is an adjective phrase and book is noun. So such a way you have to find out a adjective phrase of the sentence. An adjective phrases can be placed before or after the noun they describe, and a sentence can be have several. Okay, in the question number C, all the 5 questions have containing adjective phrases which describe a noun after the verb, after the noun. You can see here, after the noun, these adjective phrases describe the noun here. Car, doll, pen, city. And in the 5th sentence, sky. Where did he looked at? He looked at the sky with an eye full of sadness. Full of sadness. Here, explain the eyes with which he looked at the sky. Full of sadness. Okay, next adverb phrase. So an adverb phrase are group of words that function as adverb. They modify the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb in a sentence. Adverb are group of words that function as an adverb because they modify the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. See certain sentences here. Look at these sentences. Jan smiled happily. How did Jan smile? Jan smiled in a happy manner. See here, in a happy manner. Describe the verb smile. Is it not? So, it is the adverb phrase of the sentence. Second one, he know Oscar then. When did he know Oscar? He know Oscar in those days. What is Oscar, do you know? Oscar award, the Academy Award more popularly known as the Oscar, are awards for artist and technical merit in the film industry. Okay. You might have heard about Rasool Pookutti, Vidakkuvara, Kollam, Kerala. Occupation is sound engineer. 2009 he got the Oscar award. So in the sentence, in those days, describe the verb of the sentence. Okay. Third one, there were dialysis everywhere in that field. Okay. Where were the dialysis in the field? The dialysis were in every place in the field. See, in every place which is in red letters are adverb phrase of the sentence. Okay. In the above sentences, the adverb have been replaced by group of words. These group of words act like adverbs and are called adverb phrases. Like, so here, verb happily, then, everywhere, etc. are verb. It is explained in a happy manner, in those days, in every place. Okay. Those are adverb phrases. These groups of words act like adverbs in this sentence. Therefore, they are doing the work of adverb in the sentence and called adverb phrases. Here are some adverbs and their equivalent adverb phrases. See, here the adverb phrase is at this place. Next, lately, adverb phrase is not long ago. Third one, frequently. The adverb phrase of this adverb is every now and then. Instantly. Equivalent adverb phrase is at once. Approximately. Equivalent adverb phrase is more or less. So now you learned about what is the meaning of adverb phrase and how you can find out adverb phrase in a sentence. What is the meaning of adverb phrase? An adverb phrase is simply a group of two or more words that function as an adverb in a sentence. Just as an adverb can modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb in a sentence. How do you find adverb phrases? See this sentence. Ram won first prize in the school's running race. Here, won is the past tense of win. Stand as a verb in the sentence. And in the school's running race, describe the word won here. So, in the school's running race stand as the adverb phrase of the sentence. The adverb phrase tells us where Ram won. When an adverb phrase gives us information about the place where the action happens, it is an adverb phrase of a place. An adverb phrase of place answer the question where. Okay. Here you have an exercise work. See D. Replace the underlined adverb phrases with appropriate adverbs. First one. Send these letters at this very moment. In the place of at this very moment, you have to apply an appropriate adverbs. So which is the appropriate word which you can use in the place of adverb phrase at this very moment? So I have used now itself. So the sentence will be rewritten as send these letters now itself. Full stop. Second one, the acrobat jumped in the air and did a somersault at the same time. The acrobat has done both action at the same time. So, in the place of at the same time, you have to use another appropriate adverb. I have used simultaneously. Simultaneously can be added in the place of at the same time. So, the sentence can be rewritten as the acrobat jumped in the air and did a somersault simultaneously. Then comes full stop. Okay. Third sentence. This plan is not going to work in the long run. So, instead of in the long run, you have to use another appropriate adverb. I have used eventually in the place of in the long run. So, the sentence will be rewritten as this plan is not going to work eventually. Full stop. Fourth one, the lady spoke in a hushed voice. Hushed means quietly, softly, etc. So I have used the word softly in the place of in a hushed voice. So that sentence can be rewritten as the lady spoke softly. Full stop. Fifth one. We will leave for the cinema in a short while. So in the place of in a short while, you have to use another appropriate adverb. I have used the term soon. So the sentence will be in this manner. We will leave for the cinema soon. Full stop. Okay, students, your homework here is replace the underlined adverb phrases with appropriate adverbs. So you have to do this exercise for tomorrow. Thank you.